So in this video guide, I'll show you how you can remove these footer links in your WordPress website to something like this, like the custom website URL, like the copyright text. So let's see. First of all, what you gotta do is you have to have a theme that is have a file editor to change the footer credits. If you have this 2025 or 2024, they don't have usually have copyright text, and also you can remove those. So if you have this, you can change those to the custom, the WordPress themes. There are so many themes over here. Or if you are continuing with this, if you have any trouble, you can pin me down in the comments, but I'll just show you for these types of themes. You go to theme file editor. Even if you go to the footer, you won't see a section where you can remove the footer links or credits or the link of the Blaze themes. Like currently in my case it was Blaze themes, but now I've changed it. So why I'm showing you guys is this, like you might have different website and they might have a different different hierarchy of the files and maybe have different locations. So for what I recommend is you have a file about WordPress file manager, and you go to your WordPress content and go to themes and select your theme over here. In your theme, search over here, because you see there is no search option available in here, so you can search the footer file. I know where my footer file is. It's just the hooks and this one, but you might not have the same the same file location. So I'll just that's why I recommend you this WordPress file manager. You go here, you select your theme and search for footer, and there might be many files, but you have to search it, like right click it, click on code editor, just expand it, and you can just control F. And for I search for InfoBeast, but you might be searching for Blaze themes. And if you see something like this, like this theme, you can be sure that that's the code that is redirecting in the footer credits. So currently I recommend you don't change it from over here. Just go to the just copy paste or remember the location, like this is the newsmatic themes, and just open a folder and they can just show you themes, newsmatic, ink and hooks. That was the same in the appearances theme file editor, because it's easy to edit over here rather than in the files. So what you gotta do is go to ink, hooks, and bottom footer hooks. Okay, so now you are here. Previously it was this division class that was the the site info for my footer credits, but I have changed it. This was like Blaze themes and the URL was also Blaze themes, so I just changed it according to myself. What you gotta do is just you have this division class, replace it with this one, and you will be good to go, and you will have this same footer section as this one. You might not have like the similar visual appearances because that's the CSS file. We are currently editing the PHP file, which adds the block, like this one. The appearances are the CSS file and this is the PHP file. So what you gotta do is inside of these the upper commas, whatever, I'm not remembering their name. Inside of this you can write anything and that will appear for your footers. Currently mine is copyright. This is the link for the info beasts, and this is all right resolved. This date helps to track the current year, and it will just automatically show the year over here. So if you want, you can use this, or you can just remove it along with the comma, and you won't have to worry about. So what you gotta do is change the link for your what we say, for the link you can just replace it with your own website, and you can rename it with your own website. If you don't want the link, you can just remove this whole code and you'll be good to go. I'll just paste it in the description. You can just copy paste and replace it with this code, and you will be good to go. Update the file and just wait for a few minutes. It will take some time for the reload on the Chrome, but I see on Firefox it's just it updates nicely, so you can just use that, and that's how you remove your footer credit links. If you have any trouble with your theme or your another theme, you can just pin me down in the comments. I'll try to help and respond as soon as possible. I think that's all for this video. If you want to like edit your themes like CSS, custom CSS, I'll just make a video for that. You can also check it out. So that's all. Bye bye.